May her soul rest in eternal peace. The chairperson of the Parliamentary Budget and Appropriations Committee, Ndindi Nyoro, says Kenya anticipates to grow its economy by over 5.7% this year, over and above the 5.5% recorded last year. Speaking in Diani, Kwale County, Nyoro said Kenyans should be patient as the government strives to improve the economy further. He was addressing Gen Africa Annual Conference that brings together asset managers from Africa.
Kenya and the entire world has had an opportunity for the last few years in regards to huge opportunities in the fixed income arena. Unfortunately, how investments work, it is never a graph that goes upwards. At some point, you have to make a different decision. Especially in Kenya, there has been a lot of profit made around lending to government and also in fixed income instruments. And it never goes up and up and up all the time. And I think now we are almost plateauing at a level where it will not be possible again to buy, for example, an infrastructure board at 18.5%. That definitely is coming to an end.
In some ways, the market must settle. And we are not, in a way, even as regulators in the market, looking to put filters between the consumer and the end market. So if you look at something like the foreign exchange levels, you'll have realized now more than anybody else that the volatility has been driven a lot by sentiment.
The East African states have agreed to set up a regional health coordination